Hey everyone, welcome back to JoyFarm. Today we're diving into something truly incredible, high-tech greenhouse farming. Get ready to see how some of the world's most amazing tomatoes are grown. It's more like a science lab combined with a factory than a field. Instead, they begin their journey in special trays or cubes, growing into healthy little seedlings. They live in special materials like coconut fiber, their roots only touching these materials and a special nutrient solution. Temperature, humidity, light, airflow, even carbon dioxide levels. Everything is monitored and adjusted 24/7 by computers and sensors. And get this, the water is often recycled. These high-tech setups can use 80 to 90% less water than traditional farming methods. That's a game changer in many places. They tie the plants to strings, allowing them to grow incredibly tall. Some vines can reach well over 10 meters in height. With everything just right, the plants grow fast, flower abundantly, and produce a stunning amount of fruit. The yields in these greenhouses are simply mind-blowing. Sometimes 10, 20, or even more times higher per square meter than traditional outdoor farming. When the tomatoes reach that perfect color, size, and ripeness, it's harvest time. This can be done carefully by hand, but in the most advanced facilities, robotic arms are increasingly used for gentle and precise picking. But the journey doesn't end in the greenhouse. At the processing center, the fresh tomatoes begin an automated journey on conveyor belts. The sorted tomatoes are then automatically or semi-automatically packaged into various boxes or trays ready for different markets. The packaged products are automatically weighed and labeled. These labels contain all the important info: variety, weight, origin, packing date, and often a tracing code. And finally, these beautiful, high-quality tomatoes are ready for their trip. They are loaded onto trucks, ships, or even planes, heading to supermarkets and restaurants all over the world. So there you have it, a look inside the incredible world of modern greenhouse tomato farming. It's a truly fascinating blend of nature and technology, a glimpse into the future of agriculture. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to JoyFarm for more fascinating looks at how our food is grown and raised.